I think it's 5 or 6. I have no idea. But anyway, this one's sold. Someone bought this one. Damn it, I can't buy it. What the hell? So it's sold. Can't fondle it, walk into it. You can, but it's sold. Now we get into the big ones here. What is it, 168,000? Bad boy. Yep. People will buy them at the last second. So, there's no one up here. It's kind of nice. Nice one. So this is look at these big motors. So someone decided to buy it. Let's see what they bought. Let's take a look, huh? Oh my goodness, it's huge.
I know that they are.
264,000 with that bad boy. Monterey one. It's a starter ship. Sorry, yacht, what do you want to call it? Weird brown color, but I guess if someone gave it to me, I'd take it. 134,000. Stood out here. I'm the ruler of the world. Yeah, hell yeah. So let's walk again. Walking down these stairs. It's like I was doing at the RV show. You can kill yourself as you got up. Don't want to fall over ass backwards. Anyway, let's go over here. Not too much candy. There's a Harris party barge right here. Thorne Brothers. We got all kinds of hats. Let's go look at the Harris party barges, shall we? Go look. Wow. That's something new. I like kind of like that.
Yeah.
Sit there and play cards. Nice. All you need is a grill on there. Nice. Put a grill out here. Yeah. Look at that. Sitting at the table. Not bad. Don't mind the kind of. They have different mix of color. Not bad. Anyways. Something more substantial. Lots of family here. The family get together, you can kind of tell. Anyway, so let's cruise on over here. These big boys. This thing is, what do they want for this bad boy? Quick specs. Doesn't say. Oh, 112,000. Over here, this big bad boy. Oh, that sucker. Not cool. Just be a good little drug boat, huh? Kind of cruise around. Tell you what, let's just human trafficking. Let's do it, huh? Tell you what, don't worry about no body, no crime. Put some marijuana, then down to your toes, blow you from the fucking water, huh? Nice. Yeah, got more over here, as you can tell. Lots more. And see, I'm gonna show you all of them. It's like, but there's a ton. Lots of party bards. I thought I was done with them, but I guess not. But you go up 35W up by Wyoming, Minnesota. Huh. There's so many party barges up there. Used ones for sale you can get. So, that's a nice little range. I like those Rangers. Those are nice. Vanderbilt. I think someone just bring one and be done. That's kind of a cool one. Let's go over here. Crestliner.
That's what we're getting.
It's a self-deployed.
Yeah, the old Crestliner. 58,000. Yeah, nice. I think they're still made in Minnesota, I think. I don't know. These are more of a, again, of a fishing man's boat. You know, 36,000 for this bad boy. Huh. That bad boy. Sea legs. Also, you can kind of smart. It goes up and puts it up. I see, out of the water. Goes where you go. So you put it on it. I see. Okay.
You need your wire up.
Nice blue. Look at that pukey brown stuff again. Let's go over here. We can go look at Intrigue. Or is there too many people up here? We'll see. What we'll do is I'll finish out the Crestliner, and we'll go over there in the next video. Yeah. Show specials, 33 grand. Nelson Marine, I think 1933. But all kinds. Just your basic. It's all about the motor, man. I like that. That one right there. That's nice. I like that color. Ooh, look at this one. Oh my goodness.
Everything you described to me, it's this boat right here. This is.
There you go. Heck yeah. More wide open. This one you can put a grill on this one and have at it. A low rider, what I call this one, kind of. Trailers on there, the whole 9 yards. Ready to rock and roll. Give them a party barge up here. Oh, look at this Ranger right here. Kind of, they cut it in half, kind of cool. Give you an idea what it looks like. Very nice. These Rangers are nice. Look at this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Nice. Very, very nice. Ooh. Sweet. They always have fancy colors. Go up here real quick. Got 90 grand. See, if you live on Lake Mille Lacs or something, I get it.
What's that?
If you live on Lake Mille Lacs or something, I get it. A big lake. Well, yeah, they sponsor a lot of fishing stuff. That bad boy. Ooh, baby. These are the professional grade right here. We'll cruise over here and look at these things, these Harris ones. We'll go take a look. Look at that. Go up here. More party barges. Not bad. More open. Nice.
You could have the first one in the state of Minnesota.
Does this price include trailer or not? And motor?
I couldn't tell you.
Okay. Okay. Couldn't tell me.
Better deals or in stock options.
Oh, okay, okay. I was just wondering.
We have them all printed out down there if you want to take.
Okay, thanks. You should be able to tell me, you moron. That's kind of in the way. But yeah, there's another big one right there. So yeah, we're kind of, maybe two more will work our way that way. So lots of people here. It's 20 bucks to park, but she dropped me off. It's 15 bucks to get in. So anyways, let's move on.